So today in the studio we have a renowned gynecologist, Dr. Vineet Mishra with us. Welcome to the studio, sir.
Thank you.
So Dr. Vineet is heading the Department of Gynecology at Institute of Kidney Diseases and Research Center, as well as is associated with Civil Hospital Ahmedabad and was the Vice President of FOXI for 2016. So today, sir, we would be discussing in brief about anemia management in 15 minutes with respect to the parenteral iron. So according to you, what is the role of parenteral iron in management of anemias over here?
My dear friend, anemia is a big problem in India. Anemia has been a main cause for maternal and female morbidity and mortality. Managing anemia with parenteral iron is the key. So when we were doing residency about 30 years back, there were molecules like iron dextran, Chectofer, which were given as total dose iron infusion. Unfortunate part was there was huge amount of anaphylactic reactions taking place. There were deaths which we were seeing in our ward at medical college setup. Then after about 30 years, a new molecule came in which is called iron carboxymaltose. In India, we have ferric carboxymaltose that comes from Emcure. The beauty about this molecule is that you don't require to give a test dose. You don't need to monitor the patient for say half a day, which we used to do it with iron dextran. So here this robust molecule, you just need to have the patient put in that injection, calculate the total dose, and patient receives the amount of iron which is required in 15 minutes. So we took up a project with the CSR activity of Emcure, and we have implemented that in a place, Municipal Corporation of Vadodara, and we did about 21 cases as an initial pilot study, and now we are going to upscale it and do it to about 30,000 patients. This has given an opportunity that we will be able to manage anemia in my state of Gujarat, and once this Vadodara project gets over, then we are going to implement it across the country. So parenteral iron management, FCM, that is ferric carboxymaltose, has given a big revolution. That is, we have a slogan now that we can make the state of Gujarat anemia free in 15 minutes. That is a reality. So this is a molecule, the research molecule which Emcure has brought into this country, is going to change the face of anemia management.
So do you think that parenteral iron ferric carboxymaltose has a special place in the management of anemia?
Yes, yes. See, if you look at it, any female, is very fussy about taking iron capsules on daily basis. If you give them a molecule called iron sucrose, the problem with iron sucrose is that you need to give her multiple times, and that is where you lose her in the follow-up. With ferric carboxymaltose, you can catch hold of the female who is anemic and give her a total dose and then forget. So after 15 minutes, if you give her that calculated dose, then you don't need to give her any iron supplement for next 2 years. So that is what my friend has brought in, a big revolution in anemia management.
So according to you, not just the iron therapy, even the nutritional status of the women.
Yes. See, what happens is, if you treat the anemia, automatically the nutrition, the need for the patient starts eating good, her overall condition improves, and that is how you could also manage her nutrition. So in a patient or in the field, if in female you are able to manage her anemia, you indirectly also start managing her nutrition. So we are going to, with single therapy, you also have a holistic approach to the patient who is anemic and who is malnourished.
That was absolutely wonderful insight from you, sir, regarding the management of anemia in women. Any particular one key message that you would like to give to the audience over there, sir?
See, we need to take anemia management pretty seriously. If we are going to manage the health of women, especially pregnant women and women who are going to become pregnant, even the adolescents. So, if we concentrate on one single thing, if we are able to eradicate anemia in adolescent, in patients who are going to become pregnant, in patients who are pregnant and postpartum, we bring in the appropriate managed woman in terms of anemia, which has long lasting effect on the entire country, on the state. So we need to see that the women who is about to be pregnant, anybody who is an adolescent and above, should be managed both her hemoglobin wise and her nutrition wise.
So that was a very wonderful insight from you, sir, and thank you so much for being with us today. Thank you so much.